Okay, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today, what I am going to um, give you an explanation about how a particular area in civil engineering surveying. So, what I am going to do is when we are doing total station work. So, after doing the total station surveying work, so you will get some kind of a data from total stations. So those kind of coordinate data you can export from the from your total station. So after exporting it from the total station as a kind of a Excel file, you have to input that Excel data into a particular software, Auto CAD software or Civil 3D, those kind of softwares are there. No? So what we have doing is a kind of a plotting work from your office or your home or classroom. So what you have to need, what you need is an AutoCAD software with an AutoCAD software in a computer or laptop. So what if when you are getting that one, the way how you have to do to get the coordinates or points to the AutoCAD. So I will explain today. So I'm going to explain it now. So before that, I will show you the AutoCAD. Wait, yeah, I will show you the AutoCAD software as well. So this one is a data. Okay, this one is a data. These are an export from export data files from the total stations. This is in an Excel file, so I have to open it. And when I am opening that one, you can just wait. Okay, then say this one is a file. So this file, in this file, you will get a file like this. This one is your east coordinate, this one is your north coordinate, and this one is your zenith coordinate. So this one is your point number, and this one will be your point code. So these are the data you can get from your total station instrument. So after getting that data, what you have to do is you have to follow this procedural work. So first, what you have to do is you have to go to the formulas, and you have to insert a function called concatenate. So you have to click OK here, and here you have to give east coordinate first, and in text 2, you have to give a comma, and in text 3, you have to give north coordinate, and here you have to give a comma, and in text 5, you have to give z coordinate. In this way, you have to input and you have to give an OK. Then your coordinates were there. X, Y, Z coordinates were there. So after getting that, you can get all the coordinates like this. After getting these coordinates, you can copy these datas. You can copy these datas. After copying that one, you have to open AutoCAD software and open AutoCAD software and change the unit first. When you are changing the unit, decimal, precision, and meter, you have to put meter. You have to select, you have to select meter here because all the data are in meters. So you have to give unit as meter and you have to click OK. Then what you have to do is you have to click here and you have to uh, go to the you have to go to the draw and draw tab, and you have to select points. Here you have to select multiple points here. So when you are selecting multiple points here, you have to click, and you have to paste that one, all the points. After pasting that one, you have to select a point here, and you have to paste all the points, and you have to click escape button. Then Z, enter, E, enter, zoom extend. You have to zoom all the things. So this one is, you can see these are your coordinates data. These are your coordinate data. After getting this one, you have to change these points are in a dot form, no? So you have to give a shape to these dots forms. So you have to point style, P style. Okay, P style. So P style. Sorry. Otherwise, you have to go into the here multi-style, sorry, point style. So you need to go here, and you have to point style, and you have to give whatever style you needed. So I am selecting a style this way, and here I have to give a point size 1, and I have to select this size in absolute unit, and I have to click OK. So after selecting that one, now you can see the changes in the style of a point. So these are the collected points and data from your total station instruments. So if you need to draw this one, you have to, when you are doing the total station work, you have to draw initially, when you are doing, you have to draw a prospection diagram of your land. So according to the prospection diagram, there will be a point number. So according to the point numbers, you have to join these points to get a map of that one. Then easily you can plot that one. So if you want to do the next, what you have to do is you have to join these coordinates. So that is what, then you have to join this. You can select polyline coordinates and easily say whatever the coordinates, or you can do. Uh, in this way, you have to select according to your what do you call that one, according to your prospection diagram. One by one you can plot. You can plot the drawing. So what here there was a problem. What I did was here there was, I have to select all the things, and I will delete this one. What I want to do is, in my Excel sheet, here this one I selected as north now, but there was a problem is there. Here this one is north. So this one is east. Okay, this one is east. NEZ. There are two things. E and Z method also input can be there. The NEZ method also input can be given. So when I am in our total station instruments, we input was NEZ. So that what I want to do is I have to change this coordinate here. First coordinate to be, I will change this one here. Like this way you have to change. Here you have to go here, this B2 to be here, okay? B2 to be here. Sorry. B2 to be here, and here to be B2 to be here, and C2 to be here. C2 to be here. Now the changes was there. 500, 500, comma, 1000, comma, 100. This is what our coordinate. According to the NEZ form, our coordinate is this one. So what I am going to change is, I am going to change all the data. I am going to change all the data here. Then I'm copying this one, and I'm going to move here. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to points. Yeah, yeah, multiple points, and here I'm going to paste. I'm going to select here, and what I'm going to do is Z and zoom extend. So now all the coordinates points are here. Then now I already changed the point type, point style. Now all the our land was this one. So easily I can plot this one. What I have to do is I can move to the polyline and I can click here. All the objects, all the datas. Our land was like this. Okay, our land was like this, and there are several points were taken. Okay, there are several points were taken from this drawing. So if you, you can draw an actual shape of a land according to your prospection diagram. This is just a sample point. I think it's just a sample point. So this way you can inside the land. If more points were there, I will show you one drawing. Okay, I will show you one drawing I already drawn. Yeah, we will open a new one. Uh, yeah, here it was not there. Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, this one is a drawing. I think there was three, four, then group three, four work, I think. Based on that work, the layout map was drawn. Okay, the layout map was drawn. Yeah, it was not completed yet, I think. Yeah, it is not served one. So this is the land. Okay, this is the land coordinates were taken. Uh, I will show you uh, these all the coordinates here. I will show the output to you all. One thing I have to tell is how to show the coordinate, particular coordinate. So if you want to show the particular coordinate, so what you have to do is you can do the leader command. You can go to the leader command, enter, and you can select that one and you can click here. You can click here. So this is the leader icon. You have to click that one and you have to. Here, after clicking this one, you can see here, here the particular coordinates, okay, here the particular coordinates to be there to you all. So what you have to do is, uh, after click that one, mm,
Suppose I have one line here and I want exact coordinate of the same. So for that, you will have to type IT and click on this endpoint of line. So here it is showing coordinates for that end. Suppose I have one line here and I want exact coordinate of this endpoint. So for that, you will have to type IT.
The client review was brutal.
We're gonna be underwater for weeks.
Same. Meaning that
okay, what you have to do is, after extending this one, um, you have to right click here, then you have to click insert field. Then you can go to the drop down and there is object. Okay, you have to select the object and you have to click this button and you have to select this object. When after clicking this object, you can several things are here. Here, position. You have to select the position and XYZ coordinate. If you need XYZ coordinate of the particular point, you have to select these things. Otherwise, if you don't need, you can select deselect one. particular one. So I need all the coordinates. So I am selecting this one and I have to click OK. Then here exactly the point coordinate was here. So particular coordinate 482.109, 482.109 and 1007.03199. So 1007.031. So you will see 1007.031. Where is the coordinate? Here, this one is not an extracted one from this one. No, I will show the coordinate. Here, this one, these coordinates. So here 1007.031 and 99.488. This is not a code, but just I show that one. Okay. Or text. So these are my coordinate 1007.03231. These are the particular coordinate. Okay. This is the particular coordinate. Okay. This coordinates were these coordinates were just wait. These coordinates were import from this file, this particular Excel sheet, group 22, group group 3, 4 coordinates are here. So this like this, you can show all the coordinates. If you need, you can show all the coordinates in this way. Okay, if you want all the coordinates, all the coordinates, if you need, so what I will do is I have to copy this one. Okay, and I will say I'm selecting 3 points, but the coordinate was not changed here, copying. So the 482.109. Here was a 482.109. So this is not changed, This is not changed. So if you want to change these two, particular coordinate, if this one want to show you the particular coordinate, what you have to do is here, only one thing you have to do. You have to do command regional command. Okay, we have to give a regional command. So after giving the regional command, particular coordinate was changed. So 182.0, it's not changed, no? So what you have to do is you have to select these coordinates to do the regional command. So you now so change. Yes, it just not change.
Natin siya dito. Like, okay lang yung may highlights na ganyan. Object lang. Isang select mo lang. Isang formula. Dito sa susunod. Click the bell button para sa mga updated videos na upload. O yung isa, gamit ang link siya. Okay lang yung may highlights na ganyan. Non-printable. Okay lang yung may highlights na ganyan. Non-printable. So, ibig sabihin,
Okay. Yeah, what we have to do is regional command. Okay, I will give a regional command again. But one indeed. Give me a second. All the coordinates were same. Okay. Okay. non-query, non-query.
Welcome and select the object you want view all the details. So it you want. Okay, this is actually array, so I will have to explode it.
Okay. Is niyan 167. 15 series. Wala ka na kahirap-hirap sa na-realize na non-printable siya. Ibig sabihin, non-printable. Sa susunod, ang ituturo ko naman, isang object lang. Isang select mo lang. Isang object lang. Na mayroong formula. Dito kasi ng object at tayo 1, 4. Gagawin ko yung isa gamit ang attributes last name sa susunod. Ayan. Subscribe lang kayo, like, share, follow, click the bell formula. Ito okay lang yung may highlights na yan. Non-printable. Okay lang.
Okay, I will do again. What I have to do is I have to give leader. So here I have to insert field. I have to go to the insert field, and here object, and we have to select the object, particular object, position we have to give, and okay. Then this is your coordinate. So what you have to do is we have to select the coordinate, and we have to paste the coordinate. And after pasting this coordinate, what you have to do is I have to give regional command. Yeah, there's no changes. Normally it should become okay. I forgot to do one thing. Yes. What I have to do is just select this one. Region. Yeah. What I have to do is at the point. What I have to do is I have to select. I selected only this one. I copied this one only. So what I have to do, I have to copy this one. I mean, I have to copy the whole unit. I mean, this point as well. Then I have to then after I have to click. I have to select all the points. Okay, now I will show you the changes. Okay, so just escape and give regional command. Now you can see the changes in the value. Here, this one is, say, this one 99,488. Here, there's a change. Now this it is changed. Yeah, there's a change. Here, 100,160. Here, 100,085. Here, 99,884. Here, 99,995. Here. All the coordinates were now exactly changed. I mean, particular point coordinate is now showing to you. So when you are doing this one, so don't forget to copy I mean, when you are doing, don't forget to select and copy in the whole. I mean, you have to select the point as well when you are doing the regional, when you are using the regional command, okay? And that's all I have to share with you. When you are drawing, and just click polyline command and you can perform your plotting work. Can continue your work. This is what you have to do. According to your prospection diagram, you get complete. So this is what I have to share with you all. And thank you very much for watching my video. And I hope you get something from this video relevant to surveying. Thank you very much for watching my video.